Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this are easy if you follow the steps. We will find function values and points of inflection using the derivative graph today. First, we find f of 0 and 5 by integrating the derivative graph. Since f of 4 is 3, we subtract the area of the semicircle to find our starting value. Next, we identify points of inflection where the derivative changes from increasing to decreasing. Looking at the graph, this happens at x equals 0, x equals 2, and x equals 5. Finally, analyze gx by checking where its derivative is negative. This occurs when the graph of f' stays below the horizontal line y equals 1. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.